Ever felt that nagging doubt when trying out a new online bank? Like, is my money really safe? Today, we're diving deep into Lunar Bank. You've probably seen the sleek ads, the promises of easy budgeting, and maybe even those eye-catching metal cards. But the big question remains, can you actually trust them with your hard-earned cash? Let's rewind a bit. Digital banking has exploded, hasn't it? We're all looking for convenience, those app-based solutions that fit right into our busy lives. But with that convenience comes a whole new set of concerns. Traditional banks have brick-and-mortar branches, years of established history, and, well, a certain level of familiarity. Lunar Bank, on the other hand, is a relative newcomer, operating entirely digitally. So, how do we bridge that trust gap? First, let's talk about regulation. In Europe, where Lunar originates, they operate under a banking license. This isn't just some fancy piece of paper, it means they're subject to strict regulatory oversight, just like any traditional bank. They have to adhere to capital requirements, protect customer deposits, and comply with anti-money laundering regulations. That's a good start. But what about the specifics? Deposit guarantee schemes are crucial. In the EU, deposits are typically guaranteed up to €100,000. This provides a safety net should anything go wrong. It's essential to confirm the specifics of Lunar's deposit protection in your region, as it can vary. Check their terms and conditions, and don't hesitate to contact their customer support. Then, there's the security aspect. We're talking about your financial data here, and that's no joke. Lunar utilizes industry-standard encryption, two-factor authentication, and biometric login options. These are all positive signs. But remember, the digital landscape is constantly evolving, and no system is entirely foolproof. Stay vigilant, use strong passwords, and be wary of phishing attempts. User reviews and feedback are also valuable. What are people actually saying about their experiences? Are there consistent complaints about customer service, hidden fees, or app glitches? A quick search online can reveal a lot. Pay attention to both the positive and negative reviews, and try to discern any recurring patterns. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, profitability. Many digital banks, including Lunar, are still in their growth phase. They're investing heavily in technology, marketing, and expansion. This can sometimes lead to questions about long-term sustainability. It's important to understand the company's financial health, their funding sources, and their business model. Another factor to consider is the range of services offered. Does Lunar meet your specific banking needs? Are you looking for basic checking and savings, or do you require more advanced features like investment tools or international transfers? Evaluate whether their offerings align with your financial goals. So, is Lunar trustworthy? The answer, as with most things, is nuanced. They operate under a banking license, they employ security measures, and they offer a range of digital banking services. But it's crucial to do your own research, understand the risks, and make an informed decision. Don't just take my word for it. Dig into the details, read the fine print, and compare Lunar with other options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.